Hey guys, you searching for that perfect snack or appetizer for that game day and leading up to the holidays and basketball season? Well, look no further, friends. These smoked sausage balls on the Blackstone Pellet Grill. Gonna be some good groceries. Got a secret ingredient I want to share with you. Hey, let's get started, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, to get started, get your pellet grill up to about 375 degrees. Now, sausage balls, they're pretty easy to make, but you can jack them up in a heartbeat if you're not careful. I got about 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. This is just yellow cheddar cheese. Just grate that up. You can buy the pre-grated variety as well. Just know your neighbors are probably gonna talk trash about you, but they probably secretly use it as well. But we're gonna shred it today. We got some time, All right, got our yellow cheddar right there. This might be just a little bit more than 8 ounces, but who's counting, you know? All right, now we got some white cheddar as well. This is sharp. That's a mild, and this is a sharp. You can use whatever you like. You could do a pepper jack, Colby jack, just whatever you kind of set your heart fancy. You know what I'm saying? I tell you, being in the South, sausage balls is a staple, let me tell you. And there's all kinds of recipes. I got a little trick up my sleeve that probably a lot of people know about. I'm gonna tell you here in a minute. Cheese, put that there. Voila. Got some extras right there, put them right in. Now, sausage balls would not be sausage balls without sausage. I got 1 pound and just a little bit more of some breakfast sausage. Use, whatever favorite breakfast sausage you like. This happens to be a homemade variety from some folks up the street from me. Cream cheese. I like to add a block of cream cheese to mine. I just feel like it makes it nice and creamy. Big old hunk of cream cheese right there. I'm going to tell you what, I am going to mix this up just a little bit because, actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to tell you the secret ingredient right now. Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Woo, boy, these things are so good. You can eat them all day long. And basically, just pour the whole bag in there. Okay. And don't forget that little seasoning pack right there too. Don't forget that. That's some goodness in there. Some goodness. Oh, goody good. Put some of that goody good in there. All right. Now comes the fun part. If you have a mixer, like a stand mixer, this would be great to use. I don't have one. We're just gonna get at it with our homemade mixers, the ones that I was made with, okay? And we're just gonna get at this, mix it all nice and well. It's gonna take a few minutes. And just kind of come in, just use your hands. Using the softened cream cheese helps out a lot. And I just like to come in and squish it with my hands. It's all right, you don't have to worry about not being compact. It's kind of what you want, all right? So we're gonna give this a little mixy. I'll be right back. Don't you go anywhere. Got some other stuff I want to tell you. All right, guys. Well, that right there is about what you're looking for. Just kind of everything just nice and cohesive. And we're just gonna put this right onto, no, I'm just kidding. We're gonna make smaller little balls. What a silly hussy. Little silly hussy. Let me clean my work area here a little bit. All right. Nice little tray. And we're just looking for, I don't know, an ounce, little ounce balls. Maybe 1.5 ounces. You can use a little melon baller or ice cream scoop. Kind of whatever works for you. I'm just going to use, old hands and just make little, pinch you off some, put it in your palms, and you roll it. All right. Put it right onto your sheet. All right, got our last one right here. All right, guys, let's get these on a smoker A lot of folks ask about pellets. I'm just using just a hardwood pellet. It's got maple, it's got oak, and a little bit of hickory in it. So just use whatever kind of favorite pellet you like. We're gonna let these go for about 30 minutes. I'm thinking that's about what it'll take, and we'll see. All right, come right back. Guys, it's been about 30, 35 minutes. Let's get these off the smoker. They're done. Oh man, they look so good. Boy, meet me over at the cutting board, y'all. Ooh, boy, look at these bad boys right here. Well, the old dog, boy, she's one wanting. Look at that, nice. Moist. Looks moist. Boy, that cheddar bay. And that sausage. Still a little hot. These right here are going to be way better than what you typically have at the holidays or at that sporting event party. Now, one thing I like to do, I like a little honey mustard. You can make like a horseradish sauce, like a cane sauce or whatever, but I like honey mustard. You want to make your own honey mustard, you can do that, but that right there is really good too. A little sweet, a little bit of mustard. Mustard and sausage is like peas and carrots. This is a winner right here. I guarantee you, folks, at your next cookout, your next football party, whatever, wedding, they're gonna love it. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.